Hey there, fellow aspiring entrepreneurs and startup enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into the exciting world of startups and business growth. I'm thrilled to be sharing this video with you today, as we'll be discussing one of the most critical aspects of any startup journey: how to scale your startup successfully. Beginning a new business is an exhilarating journey, but it comes with challenges and uncertainties. Here are the key points. 1. Dealing with fear and doubt. Entrepreneurship involves entering uncharted territory, and fear and doubt are natural emotions. However, it is essential to believe in yourself and stay focused on the light at the end of the tunnel. Perseverance and persistence are crucial traits for overcoming challenges. If you seek safety and security with a clear path, a regular job may be a better option. Embracing the unknown and taking risks are integral to an entrepreneur's journey. 2. Essential qualities of an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, you are responsible for every aspect of your business. Being a great networker is crucial for building connections and opportunities. Aligning finances is a critical factor in business success, and being frugal and exploring alternative ways of raising funds is essential. A good idea without the right financing is not enough to sustain a business. 3. Benefits of being an entrepreneur. In 2023, India, being the most populous country and a hub for business opportunities, offers tremendous possibilities for entrepreneurs. Mr. Modi's networking skills attract various options for businesses. India's growing economy and favorable conditions for young entrepreneurs make it an ideal time to start a business in the country. 4. Outsourcing and hiring strategies. A successful entrepreneur understands the significance of building a strong team. Fostering a sense of ownership and emotional bond among team members is crucial. Entrepreneurs should focus on finding solutions instead of making excuses. Taking responsibility and getting things done set entrepreneurs apart from employees. 5. Tips for raising funding and financial preparation. To succeed in the competitive business landscape, entrepreneurs should focus on creating a distinct and attractive brand. Building a loyal following takes time and persistent effort. Adding value to the audience and adapting strategies based on their feedback and preferences increase the chances of raising funds successfully. 6. Strategies for financial planning in business. In the current climate of easy funding, entrepreneurs should remain focused and innovative. Engaging customers and building a robust sales network are crucial. Being resourceful and building a strong network of contacts and supporters is essential for navigating challenging times. An omni-channel approach, combining online, offline, and institutional selling methods, ensures a well-rounded approach to business growth. In conclusion, entrepreneurship is a journey filled with uncertainties, but it also presents opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace the challenges and consider uncertainty as a chance to create and succeed. As an entrepreneur, remember to believe in yourself, build a strong team, and focus on adding value to your audience. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos filled with invaluable insights for entrepreneurs like you.